Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. If you have been using 1688 Chinese shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to the app and use it for source and ship products from China, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to get unlimited discounted product as a membership plus on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Having opened up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you want to do is to proceed to your profile right here. So I'm going to click on here to proceed to my profile. Then I'll get into your profile. Then you have to make sure you locate this particular plus sign right here. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. So scroll down right here and you see all plus member products at a very discounted price right here. Every product here are on discounted price. So the more you scroll down, the more product is going to load up right here. However, if you want to make a recommended product, you can go ahead and make use of this particular call icon right here to contact your plus member dedicated customer support in order to make a demand if you cannot find exactly what you are looking for in this particular category right here. There are lots more products right here that you can get at a very discounted price on plus member section on 1688. You can see the more you scroll down, the more different product is going to load up right here. However, the only thing you cannot do here is that you cannot type search and you cannot image search. The only way to search in plus member section is to keep on scrolling down and down, or better still, make use of customer dedicated support to ask for a demand of a particular product. Now let's find out if you want to buy this particular type of bag. So let's click on the product link. Now when you click on the product link, it loads up like so. Now you can see the original product price for one pieces here is 83.6 yuan, but as a plus member you are getting it at 66.35 discounted price. You can see it right here. Plus member badge has been indicated in the product right here. If you can imagine, if you buy like 20 pieces of this product, you are getting the discounted in 20 multiplication times. It's that simple. And this is one of the huge way to get products on discount, to get product at unlimited discounted price in 1688. You can come back to the plus member sections right there and continue to scroll down and check out different types of product that you can get at a very discounted and ridiculous price on 1688 from any manufacturer direct in China using 1688. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to ship and import products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.